Is my plant slightly dead? Maybe. Is the lighting in this video going to fluctuate? Probably. And is my hair slightly greasy? I mean, yeah, most likely. But you know what? I'm just a newbie at this. I'm gonna try my best. I hope that this is a good setup because hey, I added a plant for aesthetic. I'm already like halfway there, right? So hello beautiful people, my name is Spence, and today's video I just wanted to sit down and chat with you about what I'm going to be packing for when I head to Holland, the Netherlands. I'll be going to Holland for about 5 or 6 days where we will be dancing for the Western Experience Festival. I'll add a little poster thing up here. This trip I'm actually gonna pack 2 of my hoop dance dresses because I want to have a decision, plus just to have some variety, just so I'm not wearing the same thing every day. I can kind of rotate because we're doing about 5 shows and it's always fun to switch it up a little bit, so I'm hoping to go back and forth from dresses. And then of course I'm packing all my regular regalia items such as my leggings, my moccasins, my headband, my choker. My mom made a beautiful choker for me in the past couple days to also bring that over. And then of course all my favorite beaded earrings, because who is a Indigenous person with no beaded earrings? I know for me, I'm obsessed with beaded earrings. A tip that I have to save room is when you're packing shoes, stuff as much stuff as you can inside them. And then also try to find the lightest pieces of clothing, wear your most heaviest items with you on the plane. And then another tip is roll up your pants. I swear to you, this is a lifesaver. It saves so much space. As far as toiletries goes, I don't really like to go out and buy new little individual travel size bottles of toiletries, just because I feel like that's a lot of wasted plastic where it's not necessary. I have so much shampoo and conditioner already in my bathroom. And then of course, I also love to bring a reusable water bottle. Now of course, a lot of planes don't let you bring liquid onto the plane, so make sure when you're going through security that your water bottle is empty, or else they're gonna make you throw it out or they're gonna keep it. So, and I think I've learned that the hard way once. Hey guys, so it's taking me forever to find the perfect angle to shoot this at, but alas, here we are. Usually I have just one little toiletry bag that will hold all of my jewelry, all of my toiletries, my shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, all the good things like that. Oops. I always bring this in my carry-on as well. I bring, first of all, my journal so that I can do some journaling and travel writing with, of course, pens. I'm bringing my agenda, which has all the itinerary and things that we're going to be doing while we're over there, and then also my training schedule for workouts and such. And then I'm also bringing a sketch pad for regalia designs and just whenever I'm bored and want to doodle. And this will be my carry-on backpack, which will also serve to be my adventure backpack when we're exploring around the city, which is awesome. And then I have all my electronics. So I always bring my laptop just so that I can upload all the pictures and videos I take along the way, so that I'm not overpowering my SD card. And then just to do some work online and do some writing and things like that. I of course have my phone charger. I have my actual cell phone. I have, very important for when you're going to Europe, an adapter. Headphones, very important. A laptop charger. I have my camera charger, and of course I'm bringing along my camera as well, which is, you're right there. And then I also have one of these portable chargers for my cell phone if my phone starts to die along the way. I have my outfit all separated. I always make sure to separate my regalia from the rest of my clothing in a different bag, and then I hang it up right away as soon as I get to my hotel room. I packed 5 shirts because we'll be there for 5 days. And I like having a variety, and my shirts are very small and compact, as you can see, so it's very, very simple and very easy for me to pack this many shirts. Of course, you don't have to pack this many shirts, but I just choose to. And then I have packed only 3 bottoms. So I packed a traditional ribbon skirt to wear on those days, you know, where I'm feeling extra stoic and extra proud of my indigeneity. No, just kidding. I always love wearing ribbon skirts to festivals or places where I'm representing. And then I just have 2 pairs of jeans. So I'm actually packing just one workout outfit. So I have my hat, I have my Runtastic phone holder for my music, I have the sweater, the shirt, and the pants that I'll be working out with. Usually when I go on trips, I only pack 1 pair of pajamas, so I have my bottoms and my top here. Of course, my swimsuit in case we have a pool in the hotel or if it's warm enough to swim outside, which it probably isn't right now in Amsterdam and in Holland, but who knows. I always make sure to pack a bathing suit just in case because I love swimming. And of course, don't forget your passport, because if you forget your passport, that ain't a good thing. So I'm really excited about this trip to Holland with the Netherlands with this new dance troupe of peeps who I haven't met before, so that'll be exciting to meet all the new faces and for all of us to create new connections and friendships. I hope all of you have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that these tips and advice somehow helped you in your future travels as well. I'll also be documenting the whole trip down there in Holland. You get to see behind the scenes of what us dancers are doing and where we go and what we see and what happened. Please subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for those videos to pop themselves out onto cyberspace, and also click to see my previous adventure. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!